Hey guys! Welcome back to Architutors. In this video we will walk you through a modern house design 3D modeling and rendering workflow in SketchUp and Lumion. We will demonstrate how to model it easily in SketchUp in lesser time and do a quick quality render in Lumion. So let's begin. Before we start the 3D modeling in SketchUp, I want to show you the plan of the house that we will import in SketchUp for 3D modeling. It's a 3-story modern designed house plan, with car parking shown on right front side and with some landscape area at the front. Let's switch to SketchUp and import that AutoCAD drawing into SketchUp. Go to File, Import, and locate the CAD drawing. I'll turn the profiles off. Make sure it has the correct scale. Use Tape tool to take measurements. The first thing will be to draw the outline of the plan so we have a surface that we'll turn into a volume. We can use Line tool for that. Now that we have a clean surface, use the Push/Pull tool to extrude the surface. Enter a specific height for the volume. If you're keen in watching more of such videos and upcoming tutorials on SketchUp and Lumion, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for all the updates. Your viewership means awful a lot to us. Now that we have the basic volume, we can start adding details such as windows and door to the elevation. We can use the Line tool to divide and create faces for the windows. Use the Push tool to intrude the surface. I'll offset the surface so we have a frame profile for the window. Apply a material for window frame. I'll use a black metal material. I'll push the faces inwards so we have the surface for the glass. And apply a glass material on it. I'll do the same for the window on the other side. It's a slit window. For the door surface we can provide a wooden material. Now, let's work on the first floor. I'll create a rectangle to have the floor surface. Extrude it with push and pull tool. I want it to be a bit different from the plan. I'll make an overhang on this floor. You can use tape tool to create reference lines. It's always best to create different geometries into different groups. Let's create a box on this outer surface. This box is going to be our balcony. I'll draw a rectangle on the surface and extrude it. Create a surface for the window and apply a material on the box. Now to make a tapered surface, we can move the edge of the wall. Move it in. Push the box in to create a window. Offset the face to create window frame and intrude to make the glass surface. If we intersect the surface behind, we can have the outline where window comes and delete the surface. I want to have a little more gap on the side of the balcony. Let's create louvers on the side. First, create a rectangle and intrude it. We can create a box from a rectangle, that will be our louver or a channel, and make multiple copies of it. We can copy it to the other side as well. Now let's quickly make a railing for the balcony by creating a rectangle. It'll be our glass. Rotate, copy it to the other side as well. And then make a rail on the top of it by making a rectangle and extruding it. I'll copy the railing to the terrace as well. There'll be a mumty on the top. First, create some guidelines by the tape tool. And then creating a surface using the line tool. Extrude the surface to create a volume. Hold Ctrl key and pull the surface to create another volume. That'll be the slab on its top. I'll turn that into a group. Now let's also add windows over here. After that is done, we can move the first floor volume over the ground floor. I want to create a wall on the side that goes right till the top floor. Use a rectangle and pull it till the top floor. I'll add a concrete material to it. Extrude the top part to create an overhang on the mumty. I'll create a triangular surface on this overhang and extrude it. It can have a wooden material under it. Let's also create another wall on the right side that'll be cantilever for some part. We can adjust the geometry and size of window on the ground floor. Let's add a slab with a C-section on it. First, create a box by extruding a rectangle. I'll put a wooden material on it. Sides can have metal material. Draw a C-section profile on one of its corners. Use Follow Me tool to wrap it around the three edges of the geometry. Create a plinth slab, by first creating a surface underneath and then extruding it using the push and pull tool. And make it into a group. Now we can create boundary walls on the sides, and add geometries like gate and main door, with steps and ramp at front. We can add a rectangle for the road at the front side. This is how you can go about modeling a modern house design in SketchUp from an AutoCAD file. Next, we'll see how we can do a quick render of it in Lumion. We have imported the SketchUp file in Lumion, and set up an artificial environment, with trees around it to make it look complete. Let's go through the material settings for this project. On the inside we have added some curtains. Go to the photo option and set a scene for the render in Lumion. This is the scene we have set. Let's go through the effects we've added one by one and see how they affect our scene. That's how you can take a 3D model from SketchUp, or any other software, and render it with ease in Lumion. I hope you had learned some new techniques through our SketchUp modeling tutorial. You can check out more such tutorials from our SketchUp tutorial playlist. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos on SketchUp modeling and rendering. Thanks for watching. See you next time.